So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can come up with these motion graphics that you're seeing on the screen right now. And to be honest with you guys, you don't even need to be technical for you to design this. All you need is a prompt and two tools that I'm going to introduce you to in this video. Now, let me show you how you do it, right? The first thing that you need is Claude to be installed on your laptop or on your machine. And if you don't have Claude, you can actually go to this website and run through the guide. It's pretty straightforward for you to install it. Then after installing it, you will need to create a project folder in your machine, any location. You can name it anything that you want, right? The reason why we're creating this folder, this is where we're going to keep everything that we're going to use in this particular mini project of ours. Right now, you point Claude to that folder. Now, after you have done these two steps, right now, here's the funny part. This next tool that I'm going to show you does all the heavy lifting. It does the animations, it does all the motion designing and stuff. And I'm talking about Remotion, right? So Remotion actually uses React or code itself to generate motion graphics that you can actually, implement on your own, right? And again, like I said, you don't need to be a coder, you don't need to be a developer for you to actually start using Remotion. That's why we are using Claude Code. And for you to actually install Remotion, you can actually go on this website, also read through how it works and so forth and so forth. Or you can actually use this script that I've designed such that you can give it to Claude and you leave Claude to do the rest for you. So after it is installed, it will create a local studio on your machine, like the one that I'm showing you right now on the screen, where you can preview the work that it has produced. You can alter it, alongside Claude Code, and that will be that. Right now, this is all about the tools. Now let's have some fun. Let's create something. So the first thing that we're going to create right now is we want to create an animated subscribe button that will have my name, my profile, and also a notification bell, right? So all we do is we just run this particular prompt on Claude, then everything will happen in the background, and this is what exactly it would give us, right? And if you're not happy with how it's looking, you can actually go back again and tell it exactly how you want. You can specify the colors that you want. If you want to change this red, you can specify how the button itself, the subscription button, how you want it to appear. Do you want it to pop, even the notification icon? And the other funny part, you can even add sounds, right, to it, to say when it introduces itself, when someone clicks the button, the subscribe button, it hears that sound. You see, all those things that we struggle with when we are using CapCut or any other video editor, with Remotion and Claude Code, you can actually do it. Right now, let's look at another example, right? So I'm sure you've been seeing a lot of, if you have been watching a lot of Claude tutorials, you've been seeing screens of people where they just run commands and you'll be wondering, okay, what's happening, how are they exactly typing this, how can you actually edit this to make, to come up with this nice motion or animations, right? So you can actually use Remotion to do that, right? So all you need to tell Claude is show a developer installing Claude Code from scratch and launching it successfully, right? The animation should look exactly like a real terminal session with smooth typing animations and Claude inspired, right? We give it to Claude Code, it does the rest again, and there it is, right? So as you can see, this is pretty straightforward. This is simple. You can use these things to, when you're editing your own videos, you can use this if you want to animate your workflows. You can use it to do literally everything, right? You have a demo that you want to send out, you can actually grab all the screenshots, give it to Claude, tell it a prompt, then it will actually create you an animated video of the solution that you would have created. So this is all that I had with me today. If you have enjoyed this video, please do like, share, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think. And also, if you are having issues with setting this up, let me know in the comments. I'll kindly assist you, right? So see you in the next one.